All right, this is a 2008 Hyundai Tucson with a 2.7 liter. This car had problem with the this customer already replaced the starter, thinking that the starter was acting up, but at the end it was not the starter, it was the switch, the cylinder switch for the ignition. It's behind the cylinder lock. You gotta remove this cover right here. You gotta remove this cover. Two screw, 1, 2, and behind this there's a plate. There's a metal plate with 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and then just remove it. And behind that plate you're gonna find this. Just one screw. Just take it off out of there, and then just slide it out and put the new one back in. This kind of problem this was the symptom that you're gonna hear. You hear that? That's what it was doing. Okay, so problem solved already. So all you have to do is just change this piece and you're gonna be all right. See you next video. Bye bye.